KAPTO simplifies the goods receiving process in supply chain operations. KAPTO delivers full automation of content-driven business processes through superior text and image content understanding. KAPTO mission is to expand the boundaries of intelligent document processing through deep content understanding. KAPTO AI automates the workflow from receiving a shipping note to executing the goods registration. It delivers outstanding outcomes on various KPIs: costs, accuracy, and productivity. But how does it work? To begin with, KAPTO can receive and process shipping notes through various communication channels like email, file transfer, or direct API in a closely integrated setting. KAPTO starts understanding the documents received. The classification model identifies whether the document contains any shipping notes. If so, it separates them inside a single document by identifying their beginning and end of each one. After pre-processing the input, the extraction model comes into play. KAPTO is trained to identify and extract the data from the shipping notes required to carry out the goods loading process in the warehouse. KAPTO identifies and matches the supplier, the shipping note identification number and date, and the shipping note items as ordered, quantity, descriptions, and all other entities necessary to match the order data from the company's information systems. KAPTO is not dependent on any specific format or template and only needs a few dozen documents from your company to get started. After the extraction phase, for each line item extracted, KAPTO finds the matched purchase order in the order portfolio, ensuring no discrepancies between the company's orders and the goods received from the supplier. Is some data missing? KAPTO cannot match a purchase order properly? In this and other anomaly cases, KAPTO can attempt to execute corrective actions to complete the goods loading process. In the rare case where total automatic matching is not possible, KAPTO will put the document in need attention so then a human operator can address the issue. In this scenario, all the information is readily available, and the operation takes just few seconds, making issue resolution a seamless process, ensuring rapid resolution and optimal operational flow. KAPTO's interface enhances your experience and efficiency in shipping note matching. You can easily access supplier order portfolios and discern delivery details and outstanding quantities. All pertinent information are readily available, ensuring optimal operational flow. KAPTO has already revolutionized several sectors such as insurance, banking and finance, logistics, manufacturing, and many more. Visit the KAPTO website and discover more about the various use cases. Don't waste time, dive into the world of KAPTO AI.